This is the issue with the RC Boy camping mounts, that this one doesn't have the rubber mount behind it. So if I was to take it out, press it in, I actually have to push that button for it to lock. But when it has the rubber behind it and you press it and you snap it in, then the rubber will push them back out on you if you're not paying attention. Hopefully they have this kind of nut for the 700, where you have to actually unscrew it and screw them on to make sure that they're tight. I don't know of anything better. And yeah, we smacked the 500 today. One of the bullet connectors came loose, or it wasn't pushed all the way in after the last time when I unplugged two of them to probably set up the gyro. But anyway, I'll go on the forum and see if anybody has a one edge blade they want to sell. So sit back, get your popcorn out, and let's enjoy a good Trex 500 crash video. Thanks for watching. One of them days.